for being with us today. I guess he's gone. Well, yes. It's my crazy house. Oh, where's Joko? Where's that boy? Where's that boy? Are you gonna sit still now? Oh, what's that matter? Are you gonna talk to me? Oh, you don't want to. Where's Joko? I don't know either. Are you gonna say goodbye to our friends? Are you gonna say goodbye to our friends? Yes. Yes. Are you gonna say goodbye? All right, folks, we're gonna leave you with that. And my crazy Drogo, now that he's made a complete mess, and he said his farewells. Enjoy your day, your evening. Spend time with those that you care about. God bless. And say we'll see you soon.